Yeah, check it out, man. They just got another one in the yard. Monte Carlo. I think the guy said it's a 76. I have to look at the VIN and check it out. I'm not exactly sure. But yeah. They are selling this one whole. It got towed. City of Garland. She's been resprayed though. Oh yeah. Now remove or damaged parts here on camera. It's got a bunch of bubbles on it. Bumper looks good though. Yeah. Full set of these. What it says Stealth. Oh, they're Kragers. Yeah. She got a lot of rust on her, man. I bet she's got a lot of rust here. Matter of fact, I got my my magnet. Yeah, it's kind of light here. Yeah, kind of light in this area. Yeah, but that, I don't know if that might be lead up in there. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know. But anyways, yeah, you can see the rust. Can't. It's locked. He was gonna He was gonna give me the key for it, but then he would have came out here, and I was like, You can see it's got a tilt steering column. I can see down there. You probably can't. Maybe you can see it. It's got a. That's a power bench seat. Yeah, looks kind of clean. The seats look clean though. Yeah. Can't really see much else. And I'm gonna assume it's a 350. I don't know. I have to probably. Here's the VIN on it. If you can make that out. Yeah. Wasn't too long ago. It was on the road. And now there's no hole down there. I can see. But I mean, she don't look bad. But I bet she's got a lot of rust hiding underneath that. That's bubbling there. I wonder what engine. It's got dual exhaust. Actually, no, it meets up to 1, I think. All right, I think. Let me get out of the way before I get ran over. I already talked to him. He said I could look at it.
Hey, buddy, where's the S8s?
What?
S8?
S8?
La S8.
You see, she got these guys that, Yeah, it's got the. Oh yeah, it does have a flow masters on it. Yeah. Yeah. There she is, though. There she is. Look under here, real quick. This side. Oh no, it is straight dual. Yeah, I thought it made it dual. Yeah. I don't know what else to look at because I'm not gonna go in there and ask them to look for the. Oh, it's all cracking there. Right there too. I'm not gonna ask him for the keys. He said, like I said, he said it runs. He said the transmission's out on it. That's what he said. So, all right, man, that's gonna do me. Because, like I said, these guys can be assholes sometimes. All right.